Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications as we upload one new recipe every day. So we usually enjoy a nice cold dessert, especially when it's so hot in summer. And kulfi, especially kulfi, is one of my favorites. But today I'm going to show you a fruit-based kulfi and it's mango kulfi. So let's get started and check out the ingredients. For the mango kulfi, we need 2.5 cups of milk. This is a 250 ml cup. Boil the milk on medium flame till it reduces to 3/4 of the quantity. I'm going to make the mango puree. I've taken 2 medium-sized mangoes that have been chopped. Add 1/4 cup of sugar to this and blend it to a nice fine paste. Keep this aside. The milk is reduced now. Add 3 teaspoons of unsweetened khoya. Mix it till it dissolves in the milk. Now add 1/2 teaspoon of cardamom powder. This is 2 tablespoons of corn flour mixed to 2 tablespoons of milk. Dissolve the corn flour in the milk. Add this to the milk mixture and mix continuously so no lumps are formed. Next, add 1/4 cup of sugar and mix it well till the sugar dissolves. Now add a pinch of saffron and let the kulfi mixture cool down. Now add the blended mango puree to the kulfi mixture and mix it well till everything is well combined. Now add the chopped mixed nuts to the bottom of the glass and pour the kulfi mixture into the glass. Place the popsicle stick into the glass and freeze it for a minimum of 8 hours to overnight. To remove the kulfi, leave the glasses outside at room temperature for about 5 minutes, or you can dip it in water to unmold it immediately. So you can maximize this mango season by trying this lovely mango kulfi. Now if you do want to try the pista badam kulfi, you can find the link to the recipe in the description. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frames.